Kamsu Anihis. Okay, Kamsu Anihis. Okay, name. O, Kamsu. O, name na lang.
Hello everyone, I am Alejandro Quintin and Erwan Joaquin Catuto Saray from the home of all the professionals, Carlos Lilando Memolas State University!
Okay, thank you very much. Kalawin sa pangalan. Pero sige, ano naman yung species yung suksok sa imo kaupod from Kamsu? Isa lang kayo lutuin yung suksok yun eh.
Tunada na eh.
The golden-headed ground flying foxer. This symbolizes nga even though sir sa kadulong sa atong kalibutan, may ara gihapon mga species nga naga-exist kag nagapanami pagin sang aton nga whatever says, and I firmly believe man sir nga no matter species man sir man sila sir may tagsa-tagsa ni silang apart sa aton nga environment sir kag and as an advocate also sir of environmental protection, I firmly believe that as a student we have a crucial responsibility to advocate for environmental protection, ensuring the sustainable future for our island, because I firmly believe that Negros is home to diverse ecosystem and unique species that are threatened by pollution and deforestation and climate change. So together, let's take an action to protect our environment. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Let's go back sa